Howdy y'all, welcome to Slimemas Day 9. So today we're baking a pecan pie out of slime. And this came from Slime Community. Say hi to the little feet of my little bento boy. Alright, I guess I'm gonna have a little kitty chef help. So what comes in the kit? So I heard they just recently updated their kits. And here's our instructions. And they recently updated their kit, so there's new spatulas. Oh, that's nice. It's like a silicone spatula. Sorry if you hear my dog walking around. Hi, Ben. And then we also have an actual plastic with it feels like a silicone topping on the roller. Jen, don't eat that. No, mine. Oh my goodness, here we go. Okay, so we also have some of our ingredients. We got our butter, our pecans, our pecan pie filling, some slime activator, and our pie tin. Ooh, this kind of looks like it's updated too. All right, and then we got our sugar and some flour. So I'm gonna go ahead and give the rest of this to Ben, my baby bento, because he wants to play with all of it. So go ahead, here you can have it. Here's our instructions. First, we're going to do number 1. We're gonna add egg, butter, sugar, and flour. Save half the flour for rolling out your dough. So we got our farm fresh egg for Slime Community. So we're gonna go ahead and put that in. Your butter, so that's this. Slime Community does a really good job making things look really realistic. So here's our butter. So here's our sugar. Here's our flour. So here we got so far before mixing. And now let's mix. Oh! Believe it or not, I'm just as messy with actual food whenever I'm cooking, so. This spatula is actually much better than the old one because the old one would literally break whenever we were doing this. So this is great, but I'm gonna go ahead and switch to my hands because this is one of my favorite parts, is the actual mixing of the ingredients. So these ingredients are all just to help us mix for the crust, to create the crust. So right now we're just mixing and creating the crust. So the instructions say add egg, butter, sugar, and flour and combine well. And there's our egg. You can see it was mixed right there. Ooh, this looks really nice. Make sure we get all of our ingredients. This is making a nice snow butter. That's step 1. So let's go ahead and move on to step 2. So next it says, add just enough vanilla to achieve a nice desired pie crust color. So we've actually got our pure vanilla extract here. Looks like the label might be coming off a little bit. So let's go ahead and add some. I didn't add enough on a previous video I had done, so I'm gonna make sure to add enough this time. Okay, next on our list it says activate your dough if needed, and then refrigerate your dough for 20 to 25 minutes. So let's go ahead and activate. This will make it easier to work with too. Once it's time to shape the dough into a pie crust. So we're going to put it inside of our container and put it in the fridge. So we'll be back. So next it says to roll out your dough, use the flour provided to coat your surface. Here's the flour again. Let's go ahead and coat our surface because we don't want any sticking. Look, Ben, it's flour. Yeah. Hi, mister. You gotta move. Got some kitty paw prints. You gotta move, honey. So let's go ahead and roll it out. Ooh, I really like this. This roller is so much better. They used to have a wood roller, and the wood roller would stick to the slime no matter what you did. So this is nice. Wow. It says place dough in pie tin and decorate the crust. Here's our pie tin. Mine got a little bent, but that's okay. Whoopsie. Looks like mine still decided to stick. That's okay. All right. Go ahead and lay it on in there. I don't really know how people make their pie crust look so good. So bear with me, guys. Bear with me. Guys, I think I did it. Look, it's so pretty. Okay, what I ended up doing is using this and my fingers. So I would go like this and then I would press with the spatula. And I think that looks so much better. Okay. So next is fill pie with filling and place pecans on top. So here's our filling. I remember they said to leave some of it. It's a jelly slime. I remember they said to leave some of it so that you can make a glaze. So let's just take a little bit off the top. And here it is. Look at this, guys. Ooh, it has a nice sweet smell, like a brown sugar smell. Okay, here you go. Let's put this on the inside. Here it is. I love pecan pie. I used to eat it ever since I was little with my grandpa and my uncle, and my older brother loves pecan pie. So I know it's super, super sweet, but we usually have it for Thanksgiving or Christmas, and it's one of my favorites. And so now it says to place the pecans on top. It says shake Tupperware to loosen and separate the clay. Okay. Not bad, guys. Look. Okay. Let's see if we can make this look super aesthetic. Last one. Boop. Here it is, guys. Wow. Now for the glaze. So I think I might have grabbed a little bit too much. So it says to create the glaze, use a thin layer of pie filling to go across everything. So well, it says I could do a thin layer of pie filling on each one. I don't know, maybe I should do all at once. I thought I saw in the video she kind of did it all at once. I don't know. I shall try. I hope I don't ruin it, guys. It looks so cute. Okay, next it says to top the pie with the whipped cream. So here's the whipped cream. It's a really nice frosting slime. So let me go ahead and separate it into 4s. So I think it would be really cute. Boop. I don't eat my pecan pie with whipped cream, do you? Am I the only one that hasn't tried it? I just feel like it's sweet enough. Let me know in the comments, do you eat pumpkin pie, do you eat pecan pie with whipped cream? Okay, there we have it, guys. Here's our pecan pie with whipped cream. I'm sorry if it looks ugly. I tried my hardest. And some of it looks pretty, like right here, like the glaze actually looks pretty good. But then I got a little messy. All right, time to enjoy. Ooh, the pecans are so soft. Oh wow, that came out really nice. It's a super thick snow butter consistency because of the crust, which if I remember right, my strawberry pie that I did from them was the same kind of texture. I was curious if the jelly would make it feel different. That's nice. Let's try a piece of it. It's a lot of slime, guys. Nice and sizzly. Definitely see. I definitely recommend this, guys, especially if you want a lot of slime at the end. This is a lot of fun. I have a few more slime bake with me videos to come. I think I have the banana cream pie. I also have another one. I don't remember. Apple pie. I have the apple pie. So let me know if you guys want to see one of those. I might do one next week. I can't believe Christmas is almost here. But I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.